So Bubs is looking for his bed. We put it in the car already, and we are getting ready to head out. Right, Bubs? Right, Bubs?
Good boy.
We going to Florida.
Alright, y'all. See ya on Monday. You ready, Bubs? Move 5. Move 4. 5.
Hey, good boy, Bubs. Now sit. Alright, time to go.
Alright, come on.
See you later, Brucey baby. So why you always gotta do that to me?
Say bye to Bubs.
Flying through and boom, 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 y'all.
Oh,
Just trying to turn him off with the remote.
poison. I wish. Then we get to throw him in the car. You gotta worry.
Y'all took his cage?
Yeah.
Dang, look at the damn thing is full.
But
Yes, fool, we ready to go.
sit. Sit.
We'll be there by the morning.
Stop.
3 days. That's 3 days.
Yep. They gonna miss you, Bubs.
Come on, Bubs.
Peace out, y'all. Huh? You said you're gonna put him back here.
Anything else you wanna put in the bag?
Oh, yeah.
Hey, Bubs. Ready?
Had too much fun outside. He don't wanna go in the ride.
Sit. 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 Bubs, sit. Pick them up. All right, you ready?
Yep. Later, Bubs. Sure.
Just show them it. I don't know. Here.
Oh, wow. He's standing up on his own. I guess he likes this better.
We're gonna have to do something to cushion that this cage. I'm not liking that shaking.
Then we get to Asia House.
Nah, do it right now.
Okay.
Let him know, like, all right, for right now, this is as far as I can go. What he doing? Just chilling?
Bubs is looking around. Now he's trying to get to the window because you opened it a little bit. Yeah, this is...
He can't get out because
he's strapped on.
to the car.
Yeah. Road tripping with Bubs and Bubs. How long is the ride?
12 hours and maybe 30 or 40 minutes.
Wow. Alright. Let's hit the road, Bubs. Like it back there? Your new seat, chilling out. So much better than your other seat. So Kalen went to get gas and Bubs is looking for him. He's coming back, Bubs. Chill out, boy. See, look, he's right there. You see him, Bubs? He's coming back. Just making sure that we're doing our part. Got his mask on. Just took his gloves off. See, Bubs, he's back.
What's up, Bubs?
Taking a little bathroom break at my sister's house. Bubs really doesn't go to the bathroom outside. He still uses the potty pad. But we gonna see. He gonna have to use it on the road trip because it's about 13 hours. So we'll see. Come on, Bubs. So we got these sandwiches from New York Deli in Brandywine, Maryland. And Kalen got the honey turkey and ham. And I got the honey turkey with buffalo chicken and American cheese. So yummy. Treat time. We got Bubs a Kong and filled it with peanut butter and froze it. And this occupied him during his antsy road trip moments. Bubs finally went to sleep and me and Kalen had a jam session. We love soca music.
It's my wave, I want to wine.
So Bubs is up and he slept for about 2 hours and he just keeps trying to see what Kalen is doing. He's just like sniffing around everywhere. Bubs was upset at this point. I took away his Kong because he wasn't using it, one. And I also took away his toys because he wasn't playing with them. And now he wants them back. Really, Bubs? Really? Stop for a restroom break. Bubs is trying to eat everything off the floor, but he is not taking a poop. He peed already, but this is where we're at now. Just sniffing everything. Come on, Bubs. Bubs. Come on, Bubs. Yeah, he just wants to sniff everything. Pooping. So we made it to Florida, and Bubs is a happy camper. He's not used to the hot weather, so now he can run free. Well, on a leash. He trying to attack Kalen. We made it to Florida. He tangled. He always getting something. You got it? Oh, what's that? Grass?
Yeah.
Ay, ay, ay. That's the only thing about pups. Oh.
See it? Get it? Alright, hold on, bud. Bubs. Bubs.
There's more grass.
Yeah. Couldn't get it.
It's probably itching his throat.
So you saying, hey man.
Tired of the games. Getting feisty. His leg gone.
Come here, bud. Be good. Tired.
See his tongue? Oh, he gonna take a nap as soon as he get back.